How to make sugar wafers that are better than store-bought. How to make sugar wafers isn't really as complicated as I thought it would be. The ingredients are something you would usually find in your kitchen if you bake often like me. If not, then a quick run to the grocery store is all you need. You basically just need some butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, baking. There's so much you can do with sugar wafers, but I'm thinking of ice cream sandwiches this time. How to make sugar wafers. Thin, crispy, homemade sugar wafers that are better than store-bought. Best paired with the filling of your choice. Prep time, 10 minutes, cook time, 20 minutes, resting time, 4 hours vertical bar total time. Ingredients for sugar wafers. 1 cup butter, 1½ cups sugar, 2 eggs, 3 teaspoons vanilla extract, 3 cups all-purpose. Ingredients for creme filling. 1/4 cup soft butter, 3/4 cup icing sugar, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Optional, food coloring. Instructions. Step 1. In a mixer, cream the butter and sugar together over medium speed. Step 2. Once the butter and sugar are thoroughly creamed, add in the eggs and vanilla extract. Mix until welcome. Step 3. In a separate mixing bowl, sift the flour and baking powder. Step 4. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the creamed mixture in 3 batches. Mix well after each. Step 5. Add in the milk and mix until well combined. Step 6. Chill the dough in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Step 7. Dust some flour over the countertop and roll out the dough using a. Step 8. Flatten the dough to about 1/8 inches thin. If the dough is beginning to tear, it means it's too thin. Work it again to thicken it up a bit. Step 9. If you have a wafer mold or silicone baking mat with raised relief patterns, gently place it on top of the rolled up dough and gently press to create the patterns. Step 10. Grease the baking sheet with cooking spray and gently place the dough on it. Step 11. While you preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, quickly stick the baking sheets with the dough inside the fridge to chill for a bit. Step 12. Once the oven is already hot, bake the wafers for 6 to 8 minutes. Step 13. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and let it cool for at least 3 minutes. Step 14. Remove the sugar wafers from the baking sheet and let them cool completely on a cooling rack. Step 15. In a mixing bowl, combine the butter, icing sugar, egg yolk, vanilla, and food coloring. Mix together until well. Step 16. Dab the creme filling on the first layer and spread evenly. Top it with the second layer of the wafer sheet, and spread more cream before you cover it with the top layer. Step 17. Cut the wafers any size or shape you want.